Hey everybody, this is Alex from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is June 13th. Is it 13th? Yep. And I'm going to give you your S&P, E-mini, Euro, oil, and I think I'll go over gold today recap. So I was actually out of town for a couple of days, so I missed some of this price action. I was analyzing the the candles and the bars for the last few days, and basically the market is really confirming that it's going to the side of the sellers here. We had this rising wedge that I thought was pretty bearish. We broke out of. We got all the way down to 270, and then as we rallied back to the pinnacle of the wedge, we had this giant outside day on Monday. So this was pretty bearish price action on the daily charts. You can see if I switch to the candles, we had this capitulation spinning top low we bounced off of, and this is just basically people on Monday trying to get to the exits, try to unload while they still can. A lot of the commentary on the TV is like, oh, this is a good time to buy. We're down, first time we're down in the year, but given the posture of the market versus the Ichimoku clouds, we're still in a very bearish environment, and the more time we spend in this area underneath the Kumo, the more momentum I would assume we would build to the downside. Again, if we go back to kind of a seasonal point of view, last June we had this sell-off, very similar sell-off, kind of a gentle bottom. We rallied back up, made a double top, and then we really slammed. And we slammed in about late July, into August, September. So, not that the seasonalities repeat every single year over and over again, but exactly, but they do, rhyme every year. So, I'm kind of thinking that we might rally here, but that's just going by my gut feeling. All the technicals definitely point to trend to the downside, more to the downside. Let's check up on the Euro real quick. After this big move in this down channel, the Euro kind of found a support level here down 240. To me, is very similar to the stocks, where this is just kind of a retracement within a longer term downtrend. This is the Ichimoku cloud is even more bearish. A lot of the moving averages are a lot wider, and basically we're at a overbought point in time right now in using the sentiment zone oscillator. So I'm definitely watching that for a possible entry into the Euro for additional short. Oil also seems to have found a little bit support, a little bit more solid, double, triple bottom testing this 82 level, and it really just hasn't really found a bid. It just kind of the sellers have dried up. So again, still more bearishness in all these markets going forward. I just want to take a look at see if gold actually, we can bring it up here. Doesn't look like we're going to get it. So I'm just going to go to ES minis on the 5-minute chart and kind of go over today's action. So today we kind of gapped lower. We found support here on the bullish Kumo cloud around 855. We rallied back up. We had a lot of sellers come in at this 1320 level. So now going forward, this is going to be pretty key resistance. We hit it twice here at about right before 10 o'clock, and we rallied again. It looked like they stopped out a lot of the shorts on this bar, this 1145 bar, and then they tried one more time before the doldrums really started, and then they slammed it. We got a proprietary sell signal here at 1310. We announced it in the room, and it was good for a measure move target to the downside. Basically, I had this going, this Fibonacci overlay, and I thought it was good for like at least a double move, so I put 2.00 in here. And the target was right about here. We dipped a little bit below the target, but a winner's a winner. So that is your recap for today. Again, if you would like to view the webinar, it's on our YouTube. I'm going to be posting it on our blog. And if you guys would like a copy of the slides, just email Alex at Keynote Marketing.